You've probably wasted more filament on failed terrain prints than you'd like to admit. Here's what actually works after printing dozens of dungeon tiles and scatter pieces. First, match your printer to the job. Use FDM for anything bigger than your fist. Dungeon tiles, building walls, large scatter terrain. Save resin for the ornate stuff where details matter, like miniature furniture or Gothic arches. A 0.6mm nozzle at 0.3 layer height on your FDM printer gives you speed without looking like garbage on the table. Second, test before you commit. Download one tile, print it, check the fit. OpenLock and DragonBite standards should ensure compatibility across designers, but dimensions still vary. My Mini Factory and Thingiverse have thousands of free files, but Patreon creators usually include pre-supported versions that actually work. Third, dial in those settings. 10 to 15% gyroid infill keeps tiles light but sturdy. Slow down your first 3 layers to 40 millimeters per second so large footprints actually stick. Enable thin wall detection or you'll get gaps in decorative elements. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.